Hey guys, as you can see, I injured my hand, which means that I have not been in the gym for a while. I now officially feel like a beginner and I just feel so overwhelmed. I forgot what it was like, which is actually a good thing because now I can relate to so many thousands of questions that I get. They feel like thousands, it's probably just 100 questions that I get from everyone on like, how do I start? What do I do? And now that I'm in the same position as you, this is what I think you need to do. The first thing that you need to do is just start. The whole point of working out is simply starting. The second most important thing that you really need to do and focus on is getting a workout program. Sometimes you're going to feel so overwhelmed. You're going to want to work out so many muscle groups. You're going to feel like there's so many equipment out there in the gym and you just don't know what to do. So getting a workout program keeps you focused, it keeps you in a routine, and it doesn't make you feel overwhelmed because when you're feeling that way, you're likely to stop. The third thing that I think is really important is to become accountable to yourself. And maybe even get a little bit of help from a friend or someone you know doesn't really care about your feelings, but they care about your well-being, you know? So if you have someone who can give you some tough love, who can keep you accountable, tell that person what your goals are and let them ask you that question every week, like how many times have you worked out? And I think that really just helps to, keep the momentum going. There are going to be times when it's going to be really tough, when you don't feel like going to the gym. Right now, I don't feel like going to the gym, but I have to go to the gym because I know that it's important to stay healthy. This is an expression of love when I work out. I feel like I'm able to show my body that I appreciate it, that I'm grateful for all the things that it can do for me. If we're not healthy, we can't carry out all the other parts of our lives. We really simply can't even, chase our dreams and, be the best version of ourselves when we are not healthy. So I think our health is our wealth, and so it's important to take care of ourselves, to be active. It doesn't have to be in the gym. You can be out doing whatever it is that you want to do, but just stay active. Get that heart pumping. Take care of your muscles, your bones, your whole structure, guys. It's super important. And yeah, I hope that this mini message will really help you if you're in the beginner stage and you feel like, oh my gosh, it's the final quarter of the year. Maybe some of you are prepping for summer bodies if you're living in the southern hemisphere. I might be going to the southern hemisphere, so I want to always be ready. This body needs to be all seasons ready. So if you're with me, I can help you along. And yeah, I hope you guys really love this one. Cheers.